Welcome to another video about the Bugatti Bolide. Today I would like to talk about the roof scoop. So assuming that this is a concept sketch of what they wanted to build, it's quite impressive that they realized nearly everything, but the roof scoop is different. A roof scoop gives you more air but adds drag to the car. The advantage of a scoop is that you take unobstructed high energy air and ideally without boundary layer. Years ago they did this to the Veyron and they changed it from roof scoops to naked ducts to reduce the drag and to decrease the frontal area at the Supersport model. If we take a look at the car from the side, we can see that it's a challenge to fit a decent sized roof scoop between the A-pillar and the roll hub. At the same time, you don't want the pipes to dive too deeply into the cockpit, so they kept the shape straight at the beginning and they're guiding the air downwards quite late. So it looks like they ended up with this roof scoop shape that I was wondering about in my first video. And you can see very nicely the shape of the duct, and you can also see the roll hub, and it has to dive below the roll hub and into the engine compartment to reach the engine. By the way, the hole on the right hand side looks like it's the air outlet of the cockpit. In this picture you can see the scoop with the split lines, and it looks like they didn't want to push the split lines any further backwards, so they ended up with this more aggressive shape. This shape could create a flow separation at higher speeds, and to energize the flow they were adding this cool feature of these inflatable bubbles, which I would call goosebumps. I'm not sure if they already said how they would use it, but I guess they would use it at high speeds to ensure the flow stays attached and they don't suddenly lose downforce at the rear. I think the shape of the scoop which creates this problem could have been avoided, and the scoop could have been lifted a little bit to avoid the boundary layer getting into the intake. But I'm pretty happy to see such an extreme design on a Bugatti, and I really like those goosebump feature. I'm wondering how they operate the system, and it would be great to see how it's working in a wind tunnel. So if you have any more information about this system, please let me know. If you are interested in any other kind of videos like this, please let me know. And thanks for watching.